So we're looking at the next type of secretions. That's our just trying to break down on the different types of female secretions. So the next one which we are looking at is cervical secretions. Okay, cervical secretions. All right. So these are basically secretions from the cervix, right? So let's look at them, the normal ones and the abnormal ones. Yeah. So cervical secretion is also known as cervical mucus. Okay, you can see how it's drawing. Okay. So there are fluids produced by glands in the cervix. Okay. Around so these secretions, they play a role in reproductive health. Okay, and a change in consistency, color, or volume throughout the menstrual cycle. So as your hormones are interplaying, you're also having changes from here. So functions of cervical secretions is they facilitate fertility. So they help to make the environment, slippery, very nice, so that sperm can swim through. You understand? They are a protective barrier. Okay, so outside the fertile window, they thicken and they become sticky. Okay, so they form a barrier to prevent sperm and pathogens from entering the uterus. Okay, cycle tracking. So you can even monitor the secretions. So this can help you, to track the menstruation cycle. Okay. So post menstruation is usually dry and sticky. Pre-ovulation usually creamy white. Ovulation is clear, stretchy, slippery. Post ovulation is thick, sticky. Okay. So clinical consideration, infections can now lead to change in the colors of these secretions. Do you understand? So even change in the odor, change in the texture, and all of that. So we can use them to even diagnose bacterial infections, yeast infections, sexually transmitted infections. Okay. So hormonal birth control. So these methods often thicken the cervical mucus just to block sperm entry. Okay. So pregnancy, after conception, mucus may become thick and gummy, and later in pregnancy, it may increase and contain pink streaks as labor approaches.